Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment and subscribe. So आज हम लोग क्लास 9 का फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स टॉपिक को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट फैक्टराइजेशन क्वेश्चन इस प्रकार का है x टू द पावर 4 माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग पहले क्या करेंगे कि लेट x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू y, जहाँ पे y इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0। वी हैव टू टेक दिस थिंग। नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू फॉलो that y square, then minus 3y, and then plus 2. So that means y square, if we do middle term the dissociation, y square minus 2y minus y plus 2, that will come. So now if we take y common from the first two places, so then that will become y minus 2, and then if we take minus 1 common, that would become y minus 2. So now if we take common y minus 2, then y minus 1 is remaining. Okay, so just like that. Now if we put the value of y here, x square minus 2 and x square minus 1, and like putting, you have to write one statement putting value of y. Okay, so now that would become, therefore x to the power 4, then minus 3x square, then plus 2, that would become equal to x square minus 2 and x square minus 1. So now it will come as x square minus 2 and x plus 1 into x minus 1. You can do this term of factorization also, like that would become x plus root 2 and x minus root 2. Okay now, so just like that you can do also x plus 1 then x minus 1. So like that your answer will coming out. Okay now, so now if I just tell you that how do like x square minus 2 becomes x plus root 2 into x minus root 2. So now see how this become. So x square minus 2, that becomes x whole square and minus root 2 ka whole square. So that would become x plus root 2 and again x minus root 2. So like that you can do. Okay now, so thank you, and like, comment, subscribe my channel. So coming to the next video. Okay, Hare Krishna.